What's up, exam warriors? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something that makes every Kenyan student's heart race faster than a matatu on Thika Road. Checking your NEC results online. First things first. Before we start this emotional roller coaster, here's what you need. Number 1, your index number. You know that number you've been staring at for months? Yeah, that one. If you've forgotten it, my friend, we need to have a different conversation. Number 2, a device with internet. Phone, laptop, tablet, your neighbor's smart fridge, whatever works. And number 3, courage. Because once you click that submit button, there's no going back. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, open your browser. Open any browser on your device. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera Mini, even Internet Explorer if you're feeling really brave. Just kidding. Please don't use Internet Explorer. We want to see your results today, not next week. Step 2, visit the portal. Type in the address bar, results.knec.ac.ke. That's results.knec.ac.ke. Write it down, tattoo it on your arm, I don't care. Just remember it. And please, make sure you type it correctly. This is not the time to end up on some random website asking for your M-Pesa PIN. NEC really said we're going digital, and they meant it. Step 4, enter your index number. This is the moment. Type in your index number and registered name very carefully. Check it once. Check it twice. Check it like you're entering your ATM PIN at 2 a.m. Because trust me, entering the wrong number and seeing someone else's A- when you scored a C+ is not the kind of heart attack you want. And now, deep breath. Click that submit button. But wait, before you click, let me give you some emotional support. No matter what that screen shows, you are more than a grade. You are talented, you are capable, and you have a bright future ahead. Whether it's an A, a B, a C, or a D, it's just one part of your journey. Okay, now click submit. All right, one of 3 things is about to happen. Scenario 1, your results load immediately. Congratulations. Now go celebrate or cry or do whatever you need to do. This video is over for you. Scenario 2, you see a loading screen. Be patient. The server might be overwhelmed because, well, over 1.2 million other students are also checking their results at the same time. Breathe. Refresh if needed. It'll load. This is the perfect time to practice your meditation skills. Scenario 3, error message. Don't panic. Check your internet connection. Make sure you entered everything correctly and try again. There might be some hiccups. If it keeps failing, try again later, or check KNEC's official social media for updates. Quick troubleshooting tips if things aren't working. Tip 1, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data messes things up. Tip 2, try a different browser. If Chrome isn't working, try Firefox or Safari. Tip 3, check KNEC's official Twitter or Facebook page for any announcements about the portal. And remember, worst case scenario, your school will also get the results. So, one way or another, you will find out. Before we wrap up, some important reminders. 1, beware of fake websites. Only use results.knec.ac.ke. Don't click on random links from WhatsApp or SMS. 2, never share your index number with strangers online. Scammers are real. 3, the results are free to check online. Don't let anyone charge you money. 4, be kind to yourself and others. Everyone's nervous. Everyone's stressed. Let's support each other. And that's it, fam. That's how you check your KNEC results online using the new portal. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm sending you all the positive vibes. Whether you're checking KCPE, KCSE, or any other exam, I'm rooting for you. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know how it went. Did you pass? Did the portal work smoothly? Let's celebrate together. And remember, you've got this. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And if you're in the mood for more great reads, don't go just yet. Click on one of the videos popping up right now that I think you'll love. And don't forget to give this review a like, leave a comment, or even subscribe if you'd like to see more. Every bit of support helps us grow this little community of book lovers. See you in the next one.